Hey everyone, welcome back to Still Respawning. We're on day 3 of building Idle Salvage Tycoon, the AI-assisted Unity game. I'm trying to finish the App Store in just 30 days, working only 2 hours a day. Yesterday, our single drone was grinding away on scrap, but today, it's time to build a fleet. So I started by giving the drones an actual boss. This was the drone manager. It spawns drones automatically, keeps them from overlapping, and draws this neat green ring that shows the spawn radius. It's a small thing, but it instantly makes the base feel like a proper hub. Next up, money. Finally means something. I added a hire drone button that lets you spend your hard-earned coins to expand your crew. Each new drone costs a bit more than the last, using the classic idle game growth curve and all it saves between sessions. So far, everything was plain sailing, but it's not always the case. When I first added the hire button, all it said was hire drone loading. No cost, no numbers, nothing. And it turns out the UI was trying to talk to a system that hadn't even woken up yet. And the fix? I gave the hire drone system an earlier execution order and made the button smart enough to retry until the system's ready. And once I hit play, the prices appeared instantly. Sometimes game dev really is just a fight against timing. Then came behavior. With multiple drones running, they all chase the same scrap pile. So I built a tiny reservation system. Now each node can only have one drone assigned at a time, and as soon as it's free, another drone swoops in. Suddenly, the whole thing feels alive and coordinated. So I wrapped up the day by cleaning up the visuals, so the spawn ring, smoother movement, better spacing, and just commented every line so future me wouldn't scream at the past me for not understanding what the coding meant. So now we have a complete loop. Scrap leads to coins, which leads to upgrades, which means you get new drones, which gets more scrap. And this just keeps going and going and going. A real idle tycoon if you'd like. So tomorrow it's time for a feel, adding sound, upgrade feedback, and some proper coin pop effects. Looking back on day 3, it might only feel like a small step. I mean, I only really added a few drones and a new manager, but it's the first time the game started feeling like an actual game. Before this it was just systems clicking together in the background. But once you can hire more drones, make money, and watch them spread out and get smarter, the whole world starts to come alive. What I love about this stage is that it's pure iteration. Every change, every line of code gives instant feedback. You fix one bug, and suddenly everything's 10 times smoother. I'm also starting to feel that classic idle game loop forming. That weird satisfaction when you're not even doing anything, but the numbers keep climbing. You know it's working when you find yourself just watching it for one more cycle. This is also where the AI really helps. A lot of the ideas today, the hire curve, the reservation system, even the fix for that loading bug, all came from AI prompts I refined inside Unity. It's like having a second brain that never gets tired of debugging. Day 3 was the foundation of momentum. The world feels alive. Systems are talking to each other, and tomorrow we get to make it feel good. Sound design, feedback, loops, proper polish. All the stuff that turns logic into emotion. So if you've been enjoying watching this little project come together, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd add next. Upgrades, automation, maybe even bosses. Either way, we're just getting started. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.